are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start, children. Chapter number 20, Synonyms and Antonyms. Synonyms, words having the same or nearly the same meanings, जिनके meanings same होते हैं, are called synonyms. Here is a list of some synonyms, children. You will learn it. Okay? सबसे पहले आप इसे पढ़ेंगे और फिर इन्हें याद भी करेंगे. जैसे कि actual का synonym होगा real, तो दोनों का meaning same है. Acknowledge, admit, accomplish, achieve, admit, confess, allow, permit, almost, nearly, ancient, old, annoy, to irritate, answer, reply, apparent, obvious, applicable, relevant, ardor, passion, arrive, reach, artful, crafty, attractive, appealing, awful, terrible. इसी तरह से आप इन सब को पढ़ेंगे और याद भी करेंगे. हम आगे चलेंगे. ये भी यहाँ पर सिनोनिम्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको ये सारे याद करने हैं. ओके, यू विल लर्न इट. नाउ वी कम ऑन एंटोनियम्स. एंटोनियम होते हैं बच्चों ऑपोजिट मीनिंग वाले वर्ड. वर्ड्स विद ऑपोजिट मीनिंग्स आर कॉल्ड एंटोनिम्स. Here is a list of some antonyms: absent, present, accept, decline. इनके बिल्कुल opposite meaning है ये. Admit, deny, advantage, disadvantage, against, for, agree, disagree, all, none, nothing, ally, enemy, always, never, answer, question. इसी तरह से आप इन सब को learn करेंगे. Okay, you will learn these all. Now we practice of exercises. Make pairs of synonyms by matching the words in column A with the words in column B. तो यहाँ पर मैंने आपके लिए pairs बनाए हैं, जैसे कि accomplish, achieve, foretell होगा predict, hazard, risk, remorse, regret, impasse is deadlock, zeal, enthusiasm, evaluate, assess, vanquish, defeat. Okay, fill in the blanks with synonyms of the words given in the brackets. तो यहाँ जो ब्रैकेट में वर्ड दिए हैं इनके synonyms हमें यहाँ फिल करने हैं. The criminal was forced to confess his crime. Obstinate children are difficult to handle. मतलब यही है, stubborn ही है, लेकिन हमने synonym फिल किया है. The teacher reprimands Jatin every day for coming late. Wealth alone does not bring happiness. To forgive is a divine quality. These 4 sentences you will do yourself. Rest of the sentences, children, you will complete yourself. जब आप synonyms को learn कर लेंगे, so it will be very easy to fill these. Make 10 pairs of antonyms from the following words. So I have made it for you. Ally, enemy. Okay. Minor, major, inferior, superior, wild, tame, opaque, transparent, sow, reap, and now 7 number is Jenny, Nadir, humble, proud, real, fake, odd, and even. Okay, so these are 10 pairs. Fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words given in the brackets. A teacher should encourage her students. So इसके opposite words हमें लिखने हैं. We reached the station late and missed the train. The principal did not agree to grant me leave. He had to take an important decision about his career. The victory of the Indian team made all Indians proud. She has become weak due to old age. King Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Rest sentences you will complete yourself. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.